We're looking at the DeWalt tool bag DG5570. It has 11 outside pockets and 6 inside pockets, as you can see here. If you're like me, the tools keep getting heavier and heavier, so they're harder to carry. So DeWalt's introduced this bag with wheels and a retractable handle. Got nice heavy-duty wheels for the job site. It's got a spot here where you can put the tag, put your name on it, try and protect your bag. A couple heavy-duty zippers. As always, the DeWalt yellow, easy to spot on a job site. I have a few tools in here. Got a Velcro pocket in the front to fit your valuables if you want to kind of secure those. Good size inside. It's got a yellow bottom. As I get older, the tools are harder to see in the bottom, so that helps with visibility. And of course, this nice retractable handle, similar to a suitcase. Put that down when you want to lift it into the back of the truck. Take it on the job site. A couple pockets there, a couple pockets there. Very nice bag from DeWalt.